What's the meaning of addition? Addition. 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 Addition is a mathematical operation that involves combining two or more numbers to obtain a total, also known as a sum. It can be represented using the plus sign, plus, and is one of the four basic arithmetic operations. The result of addition is the total value of the numbers being added together. For example, if we add 2 and 3 together, the result is 5. Addition can also be used to calculate the total amount of items in a collection or group, or to determine the final score in a game or competition. In summary, addition allows us to combine multiple quantities to determine a single total value.